Nafal here. Just wanted to share another workflow where we can use Clay, Smart Lead, and Serper.Dev to identify potential e-com clients, brands to prospect to by qualifying them by their search traffic and then even mentioning who their closest competitors are. So obviously this is just for this use case, but you could probably apply this to any old industry. So yeah, first step, what I did is upload my CSV file from Apollo into Clay, and before you do any kind of personalization or AI or whatever, always make sure that you are running it through your email validation first, and then in my personal preference, adding a catch-all verification to it. So for myself, it's Lead Magic and then Bounce Ban to catch the rest. And then this is when it gets interesting. So using a API integration with Serper.Dev, which basically allows you to any Google functionality or scrape and implement it in this spreadsheet or in Clay here. So for example, what I did is I wanted to get the traffic of all of these prospects, and Similarweb has a publicly available page. It's a format that you can just follow. So essentially, you'd put in the API code, and then you would then have a column which would show Similarweb, basically the URL of the Similarweb page, right? So this part, and then the domain, which is basically the format of every Similarweb page, showing traffic on every company. So and once I have that information, you're able to get all of this here in a nice long cell. But then what we'd want is to basically ask AI to just capture what the last 3 months of traffic was, right? So in this case, this is the company that I'm looking at, Logo Tech, and I told it to just basically just give me just output the number. Got the number output, and then another thing is that, let's say I only want to target over 10k traffic over the last 3 months and above, so I don't want any like small websites. You can use Clay to again just do a quick algorithm formula, just to make sure that you filter out any small websites. Then use Anthropic AI again to extract who the closest competitors were. So if you saw in here, it shows you who the other close competitors were, right? So get that information, and then finally use so I did try to use ClayGen to like get them to like visit this website and then give me like the right format of the company name, but I thought it's a bit of too heavy of a light work. So so basically I just asked AI to guess the company name of this response here, and I mean it's a bit hit and miss, but it does the job, and I mean it's imperfect enough to like maybe a human could have made those mistakes anyway. So which is the key, right? Trying to humanize everything. So, and then from here, of course, then it's about using your cold email magic and your copywriting strategies and frameworks to essentially pique the interest and build relevance. So yeah, this is basically at this stage, it's more of the filter or the ICP criteria filtering stage. But of course, I could go away and use a few angles and mention competitors. You could mention obviously the search traffic that you're getting and how you can improve it, or go down any other angle that you think suits. But yeah, that's basically it. If you guys had any questions, do let me know. Just send me a DM or drop a comment, and yeah, hope you guys learned something and enjoyed what we're producing here. So yeah, cheers.